Well,
this is... Oh shit, I ain't done my
what's the
thing
sound
on.
for then?
This is the night before Guy Fawkes night. Right out the way, Chris, you idiot.
Oh shit. I see this blowing up in our face. Don't even... Oh shit.
Okay.
Chris, I'm hiding behind you because you're taller. Oh, what? Oh, fuck! Pardon my language. Was that it? Oh, about! Oh, did you hear that?
Hang on a minute, Chris, make sure they're in.
There's only two.
No, there's two.
There's only two.
Four.
I know,
That
but
was big, solid.
It's got a whistle apparently.
Oh, let's get close to the window, isn't it? Oh, what?
Oh, too much smoke.
Oh, that's real good.
I like that. Set all my stuff on fire.
One more. Oh, I'm going to be...
Oh,
Oh,
that's well good.
They don't look like it's going to go anywhere else.
Mummy. Yes.
it's all out of focus.
I'm just hiding behind you for now. Where the other one's going to go out? Wicked. Now I'm going to attach them to a remote control car.
Oh, it's on fire!
Hang on.
Fine. Oh yeah, let me get the full force. Come on, baby.
Oh.
I think so.
Fucking hell, that is scary. Big one.
Out of the way, Chris.
Oh fuck it, I'm going with Chris. Oh, that's good.
Wow. That scared the shit into me. I thought it wasn't going to... All of a sudden Sam runs, it goes... Then what the hell it does, I know.
Oh shit, it's coming over. It's coming in lens.
They're not... Sam, they're not doing anything. They're good. Just that.
It's quite nice. Oh, Mummy.
Oh, that won't do anything. Hot and a bit puffy.
Oh, what? Do you think that's it?
I'll never know how they get all that in that little thing.
Now, Chris.
It's alright, it's in focus.
Oh, hello. Oh, pardon me. Just sounds like a wet fart. Silent but violent. Is that it?
Bit of a struggler.
Yeah, it is as well, isn't it?
There we go. Bit bad start. This basically how we had last year. Yeah, it is, it's struggling. I'd say it's better effect like that to get some fountain effect there.
What the hell?
It's like it's got the runs, isn't it?
It's got three.
It's got the runs!
Literally.
Try this one now. Do a cone.
These are the easiest ones to catch, I think. Go on, go up.
I'm hiding behind you, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking ate them.
Pulling up.
Is that it?
It's still going.
It's a Roman candle.
Big long one.
So big, yeah.
A Roman candle. Fire up in the air.
Hey Chris, I'm gonna chuck this thing out.
Pop.
What's that it?
No. Oh,
Oh,
I hate it. I
shit,
can
that's
never
amazing.
catch these. Oh, my eyes.
Oh, where the hell did that go?
Oh, I lost them.
No, one of them didn't even go up.
I did. I've lost them.
Oh.
Oop. Oi, oi. It's on fire.
Yeah.
Go out.
Fire. Imagine that one not going up.
Especially go in the sea and come out and get sand all over you.
Sound that.
I'm feeling it's gonna go up. There you go.
That was good. That was good. Another ball.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, I move
Yeah, I am. Shit! Oh, I'll have a look. Yeah, you got another square one. One of these. One of these.
That was that one from last year.
Chris, that you used?
This fire's up, but I don't know what. I can't catch that.
Forget it.
I can't see it.
That was on our roof.